Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Spicy prawn roast is a traditional Kerala seafood dish. Your tongue will never forget the spicy aroma taste if you prepare and eat it once. Click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot and click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. So for this prawns recipe, I need some crushed ginger and garlic. So here I am using my stone mortar and pestle for crushing the ginger and garlic. Yes, our ginger and garlic crushed is ready. Now let's start preparing the prawns roast. Into a pan, add some coconut oil. Add in finely chopped onion. This recipe tastes great when it is prepared in coconut oil, but you can also try it in normal vegetable oil. Now you have to cook the onion till it slightly changes its color. You can sprinkle some salt in between so that it will get roasted pretty quickly. Now once it changes its color, add in some curry leaves, 1 green chilli and the crushed ginger and garlic. Now if you want your prawns roast to be more spicy, you can add 2 to 3 green chilies for this recipe. You have to roast it till the raw smell goes from the ginger and garlic. And after few minutes, let's start adding the spices. Here I am adding some red chili powder, turmeric powder and some coriander powder. You can also add in some pepper powder if you like. Then saute it for some time. Then add in finely chopped tomatoes. Mix it nicely and cover the pan and cook the tomatoes. Now all the tomatoes have cooked and turned mushy. Now let's add the prawns into it. Add enough salt and mix it nicely with the masalas. Now mix it nicely. Cover the pan and reduce the flame. Here I am not adding any water into it. While cooking, the water comes out from the prawns, which will be sufficient for that. Once all the water is nicely evaporated and the prawns gets cooked, add some curry leaves and then mix it. And our prawns roast is ready. It tastes really great with Kerala rice. But it tastes even great with some of the Kerala breakfast dishes like appam, idiyappam or puttu. The prawns have cooked perfectly and the masalas taste amazing. So definitely try out this recipe and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.